Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2023 Honda Ridgeline. Answer the call to adventure in this clever and capable Ridgeline. From its ingenious cargo solutions and smooth ride to its powerful performance and customizable all-weather driving modes, this versatile pickup is ready to take you places in can-do style. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, pre-collision system, lane departure warning, navigation system, keyless entry, all-wheel drive, moonroof, remote engine start, fog lamps, lane keeping assist. Don't miss the opportunity to drive a pickup that's as multidimensional as you are. Come in today and drive this Honda Ridgeline.